Okay, let's start the third case. Stop everyone. Check your foots. Okay, full damage guys, full damage.
Okay, RJ.
Thank you sa mana. Ay, may mali sa bombs.
Check na ulit.
Di ko kayo ma-pull sa FOMSA dahil nag-kill ako ng boss. Ay, nice. Nice bro. Faye, ikaw lang mag-pull sa isa.
Ay, nakubal tayo, remember?
Ay,
Si Waizo pwede mag-pull.
sige na lang. Dodge. Revive Shnee.
Siya yata yun na na-disconnect.
Sige lang, wag. Okay lang. Alam niya naman niya paano yung boss. Ready red color. Slow damage guys. Slow damage please. Don't drop it. Slow damage.
Chippy.
RJ, keep coming RJ. Balita red color.
Wait lang, wala pa.
Heal me please.
Hindi na, pag-hold muna guys. Yun. Okay, nakapagpalit na.
Okay, wait. Okay, full damage guys. Full damage. Ready red color. Stop na yan bro. Okay, now. Okay, good. Okay, heal the choke. Gusto niya si Faye.
Okay, bye. Have a great time.
Dodge.
Bye, have a great time.
Okay, main healer, full defensive, come to me. Are we ready?
Ba't ako favorite nun? Mahal ba talaga niya?
Yes. Sobrang mahal niya, ikaw talaga yung i-choke always.
Kaso kay Robo lang ako, pre.
Marami ka daw gusto. Ready, main healer, full defensive.
Kahit maharap tayo sa si Robo ba talaga mahal?
Robo talaga.
Robo pa pwede.
Kiss nga.
Wow. Siyempre ikaw din. Wala na.
Okay, ready, main healer, full defensive. Ready, main healer, full defensive. Heal Pinay guys. Pinay.
Okay guys, tingnan mo na lang. 6K. 6 yaw.
Scout. Anong chance?